When something needs to be smaller, smoother, more delicate, that is when we start printing with light instead of drawing with plastic. We fill a tank with liquid resin. Then, from below, a projector flashes the shape of the design. Where the light hits, the liquid instantly turns solid. The platform lifts, resin flows in, and the next layer begins. Layer by layer, the object rises, capturing every detail. After printing, our technical staff carefully remove the object, rinse away any excess resin, and cure it under light to reach full strength. The result is fast, it is smooth, and it catches every detail you design. Resin is the choice when detail matters. Our printers work at micrometer scales. If your project needs to be intricate, transparent, or flawlessly smooth, these are your machines. Resin printing is available at W501. Come see what light can make.